I'm standing in a field of greens, set 2 stories high on a roof. Workers package the harvest in a room next door, wheel it through a hallway, and down an elevator. That's where it lands on a shelf, never traveling farther than 50 meters. This is Gotham Greens, and the company is profiting off of a movement that's shaking the foundation of the American food industry.
The idea is you can produce really high quality, fresh, nutritious greens, tomatoes, herbs, and provide that to customers within a day of harvest.
Urban agriculture, as hyper-local as it gets.
So we're actually sitting above Whole Foods Market right now in Gowanus, Brooklyn. And it represents the first ever commercial scale greenhouse farm that's actually integrated into a retail store.
Gotham's Brooklyn setup eliminates transportation costs and produces more than a traditional farm.
We get close to about 20 times more compared to conventional farming. So if one of our greenhouses is an acre, we would produce the yields of about a 20-acre farm.
How, you ask? Technology.
We control the environment in here to create the optimal growing conditions for the crop. So we've got sensors located all over that are tracking all sorts of variables like temperature, humidity, light level, CO2, oxygen.
Is that one of them up there?
Yeah, that's the sensor right behind you, exactly. So these sensors collect a lot of data, they send it to our computer control system, which we program to turn equipment on and off to achieve the desired conditions that we want in the greenhouse.
It's a high-tech system with some low-tech touches. The crops grow in nutrient-rich water instead of soil, and the greenhouse uses natural predators instead of pesticides.
These are very coddled plants here.
Do you think that what you're producing here is actually healthier for people?
I believe what we're producing is extremely healthy and nutritious. There's definitely a loss in quality and nutrition as soon as you harvest a crop. The quicker you eat it, the more nutrition it's going to have in it, and the fresher it's going to be.
Most U.S. produce travels about 1,500 miles from farm to table. That means Gotham Greens is fresher, but it doesn't come cheap. Gotham Greens basil costs about $3 more per ounce than its conventionally produced counterpart. Urban farming itself is an expensive operation. There's the greenhouse technology, city real estate, and labor costs. That limits how much it can grow.
We by no means are sort of purporting that this is going to be the future of farming. Grains, root vegetables, fruit trees, those are sort of better left to larger farms. Obviously things like protein, dairy, cattle, things like that. So, this...
You're not going to have pigs on a rooftop?
Probably not going to get pigs on a rooftop anytime soon.
Christina Alessi, CNN Money, New York.